Loneliness is when you are surrounded by people at your work, in the gym, when you go for shopping, when you go in the park, when you stay with your family. You are surrounded by people, but you don't want to share your thoughts. You don't want to share your emotions. You don't want to share your pains because you are scared. You are scared that these people, they will judge you. They will judge you and categorize you as a weak man. And in this way, brother, you are feeling lonely because now you have to figure it out everything by yourself. You go every single day at your job with a smile on your face, showing to the world that everything is good. But deep down, you know that you have to figure it out by yourself. Because there is no one to care. There is no one to care about you that much. And you know that. That's why you are keeping everything inside. And you have this feeling of being alone. Not because you don't have people around you, but these people, they don't care about you as much as you think. They don't, brother. Go and tell to someone a pain which you have. And exactly after you finish to tell that story, that pain which you share with them, you're gonna see in the next second how they're gonna flip the conversation to them. Every single time, brother, every single time when I'm talking with someone and I share my pain, I share my emotions, they just flip it to them. Oh, this happened to me as well straight away. Oh, last year I had the same situation. They don't let you to talk. They don't let you to share the emotions, to understand. And that's why we are feeling lonely. That's why we don't want to share anymore our emotions. That's why we don't want to share anymore our thoughts. Because there is nobody to care about that much as we think they do. They don't care as much. This is loneliness for me. Some people, they need other people to have company, to sit with them, to go to the gym with them, to go in the restaurants with them, to go in holiday with them. I don't need that type of persons. I don't need anyone close to me if that person doesn't understand me and doesn't want to listen what I have to say and what I feel. And it's so hard to find this person, to trust in them, to explain what you are thinking. Because us as a man, we are keep thinking non-stop and trying to figure it out by ourselves, everything. Money, health, our future, our body, our relationships. We have every single day these thoughts in our mind. And we want to figure it out, everything by ourselves. With our ability to drive through all of this. Because we don't trust anybody. We don't trust people, they don't care. They don't care about me, they don't care about you. This is loneliness. This means being alone. When I came to the UK, I was overweight. I was working long hours. I had all the vices possible. I was surrounded by people at my job because I was spending most of my time at my job, working as a chef, 12 hours a day. But deep down, brother, I felt alone. Beside that, I was surrounded by people all day. But I felt alone inside myself because I had to go to war with myself every single day. Because I wanted so bad to change myself. I wanted so bad to get rid of my vices, to get in a good shape, mentally first, and my body, to lose all that fat. I was 100 kg in one point. So I had all this battle, which was in my mind, inside my soul, but I had nobody to talk about it because nobody cared. Nobody actually cared about myself as much to tell me that, Sergio, you are messing things up, brother. It's not good for you to smoke weed. It's not good for you to gamble. They knew I have all this problem, the people which I was surrounding myself with. They knew I have all these problems, but they were just laughing. They thought it's funny because they didn't care, bro. They didn't care, and what they should. What they should. If I'm staying now and think about. Because they have the same problems probably as me, or different problems which they have to figure it out by themselves. So they don't have time for me, they don't have time for you either. That's why we are feeling lonely. That's why I felt lonely. Because I have so many, and I had so many thoughts and emotions, and nobody to share, bro. Nobody to share. Nobody to give me a honest advice. Because you saw every time when you go and speak with somebody and share a problem, they will just say, it's alright, brother. Things, they're gonna be much better with time. They will just laugh. They will just smile. But there is no honest advice. There is no honesty anymore to suggest something, to suggest a change. And most of the people are not going to be honest with you, brother. And this is an opportunity for you to take it. I had to realize this. Because if nobody is honest with me, if nobody cares as much as I think they do, then it's an opportunity for me to go and look in the mirror and be honest with myself. And this is what I've done in the past. I'm gonna put a photo with myself and showing to you years ago that I went in my bathroom, took photos with myself, tired, overweight, still drinking alcohol, still gambling. I had still all these vices, and I had to be honest with myself. I had to be honest with myself. This was my opportunity. I couldn't share my thoughts with my mom. I couldn't share my emotions with my father. My father would just slap me if I would just share my emotions. They wouldn't care. They just care about the surface level. They don't see inside, even if you share. They don't see your struggles. They don't see your thoughts and trying to figure it out things by yourself. They don't see this. You are the only one which can see that. But you have to take actions so you can see clearly your path. You're not going to stay in fog the same when you drive the car and it's foggy outside. When you go to your work in the morning, it's fog in front. You're not going to stop. You are keep driving until you get out. The same with you when you have thoughts and it's fog in your brain. You can't see properly. You can't see the path. You have to keep driving, brother. You have to keep driving. Encourage yourself. Motivate yourself. Trust that in one point, you're going to see the other side. That's all about.